Hey guys, Zach with Savage Traveling here. I'm just going to do a little unboxing and review of this emergency survival kit. It's a 10-in-1 plus mini grenade paracord fishing kit. The paracord fishing kit includes, let me hold it here while I do this, it includes a carabiner, paracord that it's obviously wrapped in, aluminum foil, some cotton, a fire starter, a scalpel blade, 2 swivels, 2 sinker weights, 2 fishing hooks, 2 floats, you know, bobbers, an alcohol swab, and 2 lengths of line. Really handy to have if you're in a pickle and you need to do some fishing, you know what I'm saying? You know, you can just, you know, pull this out and have this with you, or, you know, keep it in the box here. The box, I don't have this one open. This one here is, it has some foam in it, so if you ever wanted to like put more things in it than what comes with it, you could take the foam out that all this stuff sits in. Let me see if you can see it. See the foam? And you could fit more stuff in here if you really wanted to, and I know a lot of people that I've sold these to do that, so just a, you know, a tip if you do happen to purchase one after this video, in the link below. You know, it's something you can do. You can fit a whole bunch more stuff in here. Throw this in your backpack or your trunk, whatever you're doing while you're out hiking, while you're on the road, and you could have just about everything you ever could imagine needing. But anyways, so I'll go through what this kit does have. We went through the paracord fishing kit, but now we got this, you know, handy dandy compass, so you're never lost. You know, you can't be lost when you know where north is, right? You got this emergency whistle. It could be, you know, they got other words, but it's really nice to have if you need to get somebody's attention in a hurry. Going to other keychain type things here. This is a, you know, a keychain light. Runs on a little battery that comes with it. This one actually has a battery. Nice to have if you're in a pinch. Like I said, this is stuff that you just never know if you're going to need. Moving on from that is we have the tactical pen here with the which would be like the eraser, because it is an actual pen, but the rear end of the pen is a way to break. You can break window glass with it. I'm sorry, these people are sneaking up on me through the woods. It's hard to get I tried to come out here to be alone, and it's been the exact opposite of that. So, regardless, but nice to have. The pen works, and then you can bust out, you know, if you're stuck in your car or whatever and you need to break some windshields or break into a windshield. I don't know what you could use it for, but you could break some windows with it. After that is just, you know, a handy dandy pocket knife, you know, black blade, you know, composite handle, nothing special, but, you know, sharp enough to get the job done. If you need to cut some line or cloth, be it whatever you need it to do. And then after that is my most favorite thing in the whole tool, I think, is this is stainless steel credit card knife and saw, and, you know, it's got little bolts here where you could use it as a wrench, beer opener, pretty sharp blade on this end of it here. Nice little tool to have, and you know, it comes with a little sheath here, and it can literally fit in your wallet if you needed it to. Nice to have. Like, you can use it in a whole lot of different situations. Moving on from that is this is a battery powered flashlight. I believe it takes, well, it just takes one AA, I guess, and it's good to have. It's a very good light. I think mine at home still's working just fine. Neat little design. I don't know, you know, seems to do the trick. Battery's not included. You can never have too many flashlights, right? And last but not least is this handy dandy fire starter here. This you know, ferrous rod. I mean, what else do you need in a kit like this? The big thing for me is the mini fishing kit. Like, some places want an arm and a leg just for this, but to find them all in one package deal was pretty cool. So if you guys think you might want this, or know somebody who does for a holiday gift, I just put them up on my website. Is Savage Traveling /shop. The direct link for the product is going to be in the description below, along with the shop link, which there's only one product in it now, so this. So I appreciate you guys checking it out, and it's a really nice little piece to have if you're in a pinch. So if you want to order, please do. Thanks for watching. This is Zach with Savage Traveling, and peace.